What's going on, everyone? And we're looking at the two best laser projectors out there. This is a 1080p projector and this is a 4K projector, but this one is very much portable. So I'm going to show you the Capsule 3 laser today and maybe compare it a little bit with the Cosmos Laser 4K. So here we go. First things first though, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It does help a lot. And also hit the like button so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. And also if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. So go ahead and check this out. Now I like how this is a laser projector, and this is probably one of the only ones that is portable enough to bring with you all the time and have laser technology on it. So let's open this guy up, and you can see the packaging is just beautiful here. Got the some sort of visual right there of how you can use this outside. Very nice. Got some literature in here, and also the remote. Does come with a couple of batteries and a bunch of paperwork so that you can show how to use it and whatnot. Pretty nice. Put that away for now. Up here it has a power adapter, USB-C, foldable as well here. Great when you are traveling. It is USB-C, as you can see there. That's it for that box. And this is the projector right here. As you could see, the lens in the front there is massive, very beautiful. On the top, it has a few controls as well. So if you don't have, or you lost a remote, or you're close enough to the projector, you'll be able to control it up there. On the back, it has the AR sensor as well. Same time with the power button. Another button right here, which we'll try to find out later on. All around it as well is the speaker grill. Really nice addition there. HDMI slot on the bottom, USB-C right there, and also the aux in. If you want to use headphone jacks. The bottom as well is rubber feel to it. It also has the FCC symbols down there as well. And from the looks of it, as you can see here, it has some sort of camera in the front there as well, with the Nebula logo. Let's try to power this up without any power though. No. Oh, and there it is. As you can see, it is also battery powered, so you'll be able to use this without plugging in. Very portable, as you can see here. The Capsule 3 laser is very portable. It has 300 ISO lumens and it produces 1080p crisp laser projection. It has auto focus, auto keystone, auto screen fit, and avoidance, which is really awesome. It has Android TV, so you won't need to plug in anything like that. It'll work right off the box. It also has HDR10 Plus, and it has Dolby Digital Plus. It has great audio as well, so you'll be able to have crisp sound. It has long battery life, a video time of 2.5 hours, and music time of 10 hours plus. It is battery powered as well, good for 150-inch projection, and then you'll be able to charge your phone here as well. It has a contrast ratio of 400:1, and it's good for Bluetooth 5.0. Now let's test out some video games here and also some movies. Let's see how the speaker works and if it's any good. And also you could see that I've tested it already with the video games, and for me the lag is not there at all, so I don't feel any input lag whatsoever, so it is very useful for gaming. Laser is the future of next generation light sources. It is more environmentally friendly with high light efficiency. The first benefit of laser is efficiency. The normal projector lamp projects white light, but most of that light gets wasted in order for you to see red, blue, green elements. That's the light that gets projected onto the screen, which combines into white light. So they made it better by using laser projection, which use less power because you're only projecting the colors that are actually needed. Think about the terms in wattage. If UHP lamp uses 300 watts to create white light, only a portion of that is used to create red, green, and blue. The rest is wasted on colors. But in laser projectors, there are three 100-watt lasers that theoretically each create more light, which theoretically each create much more light for their respective colors with the same overall wattage. Because of this efficiency, laser projection systems get brighter than traditional LCDs, much brighter. The laser is the best possible technology for a projector light source with their narrow range of wavelengths. They are more efficient than other light sources, plus they can be adjusted to produce a wider range of colors than lamps or LEDs. Now let's look at the Nebula Cosmos Laser Projector 4K, and of course this has a higher resolution, but it's not so portable like the Capsule 3. Let's open this up. Unboxing experience is really awesome as well, as you can see here. Oh, there it is. Boom. So up here it has the remote, quick start guide, power adapter, cord here. It does need to be plugged in, of course. It's a streaming dongle and also a couple of batteries. Now as you see at the front here, the projection is much bigger than the other one. It has some sort of laser camera there as well. Four AR sensor, I believe, there, and a couple of sensors here as well. There it has the buttons as well, as you can see there. Volume here and select right there. Power button right there as well. On the back, it has this part right here. This is where you can install the stream module. Power slot right there, HDMI, USB, and also an aux-in slot right there. Now, of course, this projector, the Cosmos Laser 4K, is a bit bigger, but it has 4K resolution and 2400 ISO lumens. It is a little bit brighter than the other one, and it also has Dolby Digital Plus, same as that, with better speakers, like it has more wattage. It has no battery though, so it needs to be plugged in. It does have Android TV as well, so you don't need to plug in, and you'll be able to download up to 7,000 apps in the Google Play Store. It is also still good up to 150-inch projection. Now let's go ahead and test out a few things here, like gaming and also the movies. Spoiler alert on the gaming as well. I'd already tested out. It is really good, no input lag whatsoever, so I was able to play a few games without any problems whatsoever. And that's it for today, everyone. I definitely would recommend this projector, especially having both of them really helps a lot, because you can have one for home, which has a 4K laser projection, but if you are on the go, and of course it's only 1080p, but you could still have that laser clear image with you all the time, you can bring this with you. This one, not so much, because it's pretty big. This one, you can even bring this on a plane or something like that and use it wherever you go. Pretty much you could travel with this, have it with you all the time. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, so that we can beat that YouTube algorithm. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe out there. Peace.